They want a cup of coffee? They gotta close the sale. I wanna see the numbers move. Yeah, and they can bite me. So my business manager, Teresa, says we got a problem. The team has a few silos and some customer conversations are getting lost.
I'm pretty sure the word I used was shitstorm. We were using too many apps to communicate and collaborate. The team was frustrated and our customers hated us.
It's true. I really do hate them.
I like Teresa, she's smart. Not like those kids in Silicon Valley that keep trying to sell us crap. She comes back and wants to show me this Nextiva thing instead. I say, fine, I'll listen. Give me the spiel.
You bet, Ron. Nextiva gives us all the communication tools we need in one place. Our customers can reach us no matter where they come in from, and our team is finally on the same page. It's one tool for us to work together serving our customers, but without the bullshit.
See, I don't do bullshit. Turns out Nextiva's no bullshit either. It's still my phone, but it keeps our team and customer conversations together. Hell, I can even see the sentiments of a customer before they call. I say, not bad, Teresa. Oh, shit, I gotta get this.
Not that Teresa is right. We got our entire team set up on Nextiva in minutes, and all of our contact info could be imported immediately. We're already moving so much faster, and you don't hear as much swearing around the office, except for Ron's office. That hasn't changed.
You can tell those sons of bitches they either take this deal or they compete with it. You hashtag kiss my ass. You may enjoy having 20 different apps open to get an honest day's work done. I don't. Nextiva gives me everything I need to make the money move. And that's what I do.
He does make the money move.
Don't be a chump like those Silicon Valley brats. Get Nextiva. Get back to real business.
See you in Nextiva.
Well, if I sold it for that, I'd fire myself. Now, we either close this deal together or I close it on you. I don't want to burn our bridges, Sharon, but I got a gallon of gasoline right here and a book of matches. Either way, I win. Oh, shit, I just...